Jennifer thought she was being clever, renting an oversized, bright red truck. She is not fooling anyone. Jennifer, we know you are hiding something so well, in fact, you brought the vehicle back suspiciously clean. Our hypothesis is that you were not using the truck for construction, but rather you are an all-star American that loves big trucks. We approve. Jennifer was an awesome customer. She brought the truck back very clean and in a timely fashion. Period. Thank you kindly, and we hope to see you again soon! Exclamation point.